Hi team, welcome to your 21 days of Pilates with me, Janet. We're going to start here at day 1. Now, if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. But the first move is quite nice. We're going to start on the ground. Quite gentle movements. We're going to start with a pelvis curl. Nice and flat in the body, neutral spine. Take a nice long deep breath in. On the exhale, you're just going to lift and curl through the spine and tilt your pelvis up and down. It doesn't have to go very high. You just want to feel your lower back pressing as you breathe out, and then scoop the hips up a little bit. Just slowly warming up through. Now, for those of you who are new, you're just going to have your legs bent and about a tennis ball space or a fist space between the knees and the feet, nice and equal. Pressing your triceps into the ground, and every time you lift, that is when you breathe out. Good, having a little rest here for 10 seconds. Just let the knees fall side to side. As you can see in the top corner there, your next move is a crunch. So breathe out. As you breathe out, you lift your head and shoulders, chin tucks into the chest, and your eye gaze are looking forward towards the thighs. A lot of people tend to lift your eye gaze to the roof, but in Pilates, just to protect the neck, we're gonna tuck the chin in. Imagine you're holding like a rolled up sock or a peach underneath your chin as you lift. Flattening your back, crunching in the middle. The hands are just there to support the neck, not really to pull your head all the way up. So try to avoid using the hands to pull, but using the center of the body to actually lift your body up. Good. Having a little moment there. All right, arms are going to go up, and we're going to keep the feet on the ground as we move into the next move. Alternating arms, just going beside your head. Try to get the bicep around the ears. Fingertips nice and pointed. Again, breathe out as you extend. Inhale as you come in. You're aiming not to flare out the rib cage, and you're not trying to change the shape of your torso. So you're still keeping that body nice and stable. As always in Pilates, all moves are quite controlled. And you can always slow it down a little bit if you want to focus in on that control movement. Good. Release the arms all the way down. We're going to start with the legs now. So tabletop, knees over hips. Just use the hands to help guide you. And just going to do a little toe tap. Especially if you've got lower back issues and you find that it flares and arches. Just keep the toes tapping there. The aim is not to change the shape of the body again and not to get that arch coming through the lower back. Breathe out as you tap. Inhale as you draw it back in. Not too much to go, team. The first day is just about 5 minutes. It's 5 movements, about 50 seconds per move. Just to ease yourself into your day 1. Great, and release it down. Knees can always swish if you need to get a little bit of release. All right, last move is a full dead bug. So we did the arms, we did the legs. Let's bring them together. So opposite arm and leg are moving. If my right leg taps, my left arm moves back next to my ears. Holding your tummy muscles in and breathing out as the limbs start to move away from you. Inhale as it all comes back into the center. In Pilates, think about this. The hard movement is always on the out breath because that's when you have to brace your core the strongest. And then when the move is a little bit nicer, that's when you have time to take a breath in. Amazing. Just release out the knees. Just stay with me if you can for just a quick stretch. That is your day 1 done. Let me know how you go. Feel free to do it again, maybe later in the day, because it is only a 5-minute little warm up, a little bit of taster for your full 21 days. Knees are swishing. This is just to pull out the lower back. And you're just going to come up onto the hands and knees. Take a nice long breath. Drop the belly, lifting the chin forward. And then as you exhale, tuck that chin into the chest and round the back, just to help that mobility of the back a little bit, especially people that have lower back issues. You want to do a few of these cat-cow stretches just to release off. Stretch back into your child's pose, arms extended, bum towards the heels. And you're done, day 1. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you on day 2. Bye.